Model 2008 Vauxhall Movano 2800 Cdti Swb Cdti L1H1 Clutch Easy Fix Genuine Low Mileage. Body white panel van. Mileage 88,900. MOT the 17th of September 2025. Engine 2464 cc G9U 74 kW. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. Clutch will need replacing. Nice easy in and out job. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.